Hi everyone, I'm Chamidu Kavishka from RYSERA STEM, and today I am presenting my final project, Fiscal Mate AI. It's an autonomous financial intelligence agent designed to simplify personal wealth management. Managing expenses manually can be tedious. Fiscal Mate AI solves this by using natural language processing. Instead of filling form, you just tell the AI what you spend, and it handles the rest. Okay, let's see in action. He asks some questions sometimes. Here is the live dashboard. Now I am entering. As I submit, the AI engine process the text, extract the data and save it to Superbase instantly. Actually, Superbase is a securely SQL database. This allows for real-time updates and secure access to user reports from anywhere. This AI can get financial advices, and sometimes we can say, okay, now let's look at the backend. I built this using Fast API. Here is the call logic where the AI process the input and store in database. I use environmental variables to keep the API keys secure. In the future, I plan to add visual chart and OCR for receipt scanning. Thank you for watching. The source code and live link are available in my repository. Thank you.